What's going on, fellas, ladies? What's happening? It's your boy Dominic Core, nickname Crypto Core, coming at you live from my Newcastle man cave. Today's video is going to be about 5 things to consider before investing in an internet marketing program. There are a lot of programs out there. I have my 2 recommended programs down below, but there are some things that you should consider before investing, and let's go over them right now. So like I said before, there are 5 things to consider before investing in an internet marketing program. Number 1, who is the author or the CEO or the main person promoting the company? You want to research whoever that person is, make sure they're credible, and ask the question, have they made money and had success in the past? Because if they have, that means that they're probably doing something similar and duplicating the system, and rinse and repeat, which is what a lot of internet marketers do. If they haven't, if it's their first time, that doesn't mean that they won't be successful, but it does mean that they won't have as much credibility in the market. So that's number 1. Number 2, if it sounds too good to be true, you know what's coming next. So make sure you do your own research. Make sure you ask around, make sure you look at some YouTube videos, make sure that you do your due diligence, because a lot of people say, you know, you can make $20,000, $30,000 a month on this program. Make 20, all the videos say that. And it's like, what? Really? Wow, that's pretty good. But what they're not telling you is that they put in tons of research and work and tools and all this stuff in the background. And although they may say they make $10 or $20 or $30,000 a month, that's gross. That's not net. Okay? So they're talking gross, not net. Let's look at number 3. Don't make decisions on emotion. Make a business decision on whatever you decide to go with. So when some internet marketers that get you all excited, yeah, I'm so excited. I put yes in the chat box if you're ready to go. Okay, keep going. That's an emotional decision. Okay, you want to make a business decision and make that best one that's for you. Okay. Number 4, take massive action after you decide which one to invest in. Okay, so some people, buy into a system or a program or a business, and they let it sit on the shelf, and they go have a beer and go watch some TV, think about it, say, oh yeah, I'm gonna make some money with this, yeah, and then they don't do anything with it. They just let it sit there. Don't be that person. Take it off the shelf. Take action. Make a video about it. Tell your friends. Build your list. Do all the little things that are going to make you some money in the future. Okay? Take massive action. Number 5, and the last one, you have to give these things time. I know they say you can make this amount in this time, but these people that are making this large amount of money in a small amount of time, these are people who already have established lists of thousands of subscribers that they can just send this new offer to, and they'll make money. Okay, if you're just starting out and it's your very first time doing this, you got to give it some time. I would say 90 days minimum before you see any type of profits. Okay, because there's a lot of things that you have to do in order to make money online. Okay, so what you want to do is learn the process, commit to it, try and get those customers, rinse and repeat, and then you will succeed. All right. So if you got any value out of this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It's Crypto Core on YouTube. May you live large. May you prosper. And may your jumpers hit nothing but the bottom of the net. Peace. Crypto Core signing out.